It is between with Mill Bay and Duncan. And apparently they have fudge too. So.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change.
Apparently, as the story goes, the Whippletree Junction used to be in Duncan's downtown Chinatown, and it was picked up and moved here. It's a dough mixer, yeah. It's a 19th century typewriter. He actually let me have a sample. That was really cool. And it's actually kind of like a little trade shop. There was a lot of stuffed animals and Aboriginal art, coffee mugs. Like it's more than just fudge in there. That's why I wanted to make sure, because although the shop says fudge, there's a lot of different cool novelty stuff in there.
Peanut fudge.
Souvenirs.
I don't like sweets, so this is all the fudge I'm having. It tastes like caramel. Right in taste of vanilla. It's really smooth and good.
It says it's made with real cream,
It's
so
really good. And it is so peaceful here.